Andariki Namaskaram. Nenu mi Sonarika, and I am the heroine of this wonderful film Jadugadu. And today I'm here to talk a little bit about myself and the film. I don't know. It just happened. One fine day I got a call. My manager got a call actually from Yogi sir, our director, and he wanted me to come down to Hyderabad for a narration. And that was my first ever visit to Hyderabad. So I came down for the narration, and the moment I entered, the kind of vibes that I got, they were so positive, and like I'm a very very energy vibe person. If I get good energy, then I can go to any extent to do that. So that, and then I met Yogi sir, the way he narrated the film and everything about the film, I was just so excited. And I think somewhere while I was flying to Hyderabad, I had this thing in my head that I had cracked this film already. So so like we went there and I got the narration and everything, and it went really really well, and I said yes, and then that's that. So camera, actually, unlike all the other actors, I didn't want to become an actor. I had never ever dreamt of becoming an actor. So, and it's weird when I say this, but I have always been camera conscious. In my teenage years while growing up, I didn't like getting myself clicked, and I used to always shy away from the camera. I thought I didn't look good. I thought I looked ugly in pictures and I'm not photogenic and all of that. So facing the camera for the first time ever in my life, I was beyond nervous. I was literally shaking and I had cold feet and I wanted to like run away. I didn't want the camera in front of me. But then obviously, you sort of get used to it, and now I'm an actor and it's my job to be in front of the camera all the time. So now it's all cool. Now I am not nervous anymore, but yeah, that was my first experience ever. About my role in the film, generally action films lo heroine role ki anta importance untadu, but ee movie chala different. Ee movie lo hero ki anta importance value undo ante value heroine ki untadi. And itlo tanu kuda taniki support istu tantone untundi. I think she is like the only constant throughout with the hero in the film. And this is, I think, the first film ever where I've seen the heroine being included in action scenes. I mean, obviously I am not doing the action, but being involved in the action scenes and being right there with the hero, right beside him. So this film is a little different that way, and my role is a little different that way. So I am pretty excited about it because it's unlike any other action entertainer that has ever been made before. Yogi sir, he is the coolest director ever any actor can ever work with. He is the coolest, period. He's been so supportive and encouraging, and there was not one time where I felt that I am a newcomer and I am not getting it right. Even when I didn't get my lines right initially, he was so patient with me, like extremely patient. And so I used to get all worked up that okay, now it's been so long, I can't get my lines right, and now he'll yell at me, now he'll lose his temper, now he'll be impatient, he'll start getting impatient, and all of that. But there was not one moment, and I think this is the positive as well as the negative point, because I mean, when we are all hyper, when something goes wrong on the sets, or there's some technical issue, anything, everyone around is all stressed and worked up and hyper and all of that, but Yogi sir, he's still cool and he's smiling, and he's like that, and he is such a good soul and such a positive person that it rubs onto you. He's that positive, and I think more than a director, he is a friend for all of us on sets, be it me, Shaurya, our cameraman, all of us, and we adore him completely. Shaurya gurinchi, he's extremely wonderful. He's been very good and very supportive, and there were times when he's been helpful as well when I couldn't get my lines right. And again, he's been very patient, because initially obviously I didn't understand, I wasn't used to the language, and it was all very new, very alien to me, but Shaurya was like continuously there, very supportive and like very patient. And a good thing about Shaurya is that he's extremely energetic. He is very energetic, and I think that sort of rubs on to everyone on the sets. Even when we're shooting, say post midnight, when we have night shifts, and when we'll be shooting from say evening 6 to morning 6, and Shaurya's energy, the moment he begins, that pace, his energy is still the same. In fact, it just keeps on increasing, and it's crazy. I mean, and Shaurya he's got a good sense of humor. He always makes everyone laugh around him, and he's been very good. Yeah. Telugu, obviously, now I shot for the film. I have been shooting for the film for the past 3 months now, and we've almost wrapped it up. We've completed the film. Initially, obviously, it was all alien to me. I couldn't understand a word, and I was extremely nervous, because I had to get my lines right. I had to emote accordingly, and there were like thousands of people around me looking right at me, and it made me so conscious, and I wanted to get everything right, but now I think it's been 3 months, and Hyderabad has become like a second home. I'm hardly in Mumbai anymore, so I think I've sort of gotten used to the language now. Everyone around me speaks in Telugu, so I am picking up. I'm trying to pick up, and I'm also learning. I'm trying to learn Telugu, and I even try to speak some things here and there. I mean, I don't know if I get it right or I don't, but I am trying hard to learn Telugu now. So, I've been learning Telugu, and about speaking Telugu, obviously I do speak something here and there. I don't know if I always get it right or no, but I try my best. As for saying something in Telugu, I would like to sing a few lines from the song from our film. It's my most favorite song, and like those few lines are like my favorite lines. And I am not a very good singer, so I am warning you like beforehand. Okay, shove your fingers in your ears. But here it goes. నా తోడే ఉంటూ నీ నీడల్లే నన్ను చేసావే నేనే నువ్వంటూ, నీతో ఉంటే వెళ్ళేనయ్య క్షణం అనిపించావే. Sagar is one amazing person. He is so down to earth, and he is a very simple person, and he's very cool. He's very cool, and the music, oh my god, ఈ సినిమాలో మ్యూజిక్ కూడా చాలా బాగుంది. మీకు చాలా నచ్చుతుంది. He's I didn't understand the language initially when I was shooting, like when I shot for the first song. But his music kind of grows onto you, you know. I kept listening to the music time and again, and I was so kicked about it. I sent the songs to my brother and like my cousins, my relatives. All of them loved it, regardless of the language barrier, of course. But you know, the music is so good that I every day I listen to all my songs like from this film on repeat every day. So he's given amazing music. Telugu film industry, it's been so warm and welcoming. Everyone here is extremely warm, very supportive, very encouraging. I didn't feel like I'm an outsider here after working with these people. It's like family to me now, and it's like a second home. And I remember the moment I entered, like my first day in Hyderabad, Yogi sir and Prasad Garu, they told me that don't feel shy to ever come up to us or to ask for anything that you ever want, you know. This is your home production. These were their words, you know, and I was blown away. I was like, oh my god, such amazing people, and they've been very loving and kind and supportive of me. So I feel blessed to be a part of this film and to receive such a good welcome. My family. Actually, there's no inspiration at all, because I didn't want to be an actor. I didn't want to become an actor and to do something here. So I think it just sort of grew on me. But I mean, nothing was planned, or I was never sort of inspired by someone and then I entered the industry. So this is not my story that way. Like, yeah. My family, I would like to say, have been they've been very, very supportive of me, and I think that is what a family is for, right? My mama, she's always from the time I started working, like my first day of shoot, there's not a single day where she does not come with me, she does not travel with me. She leaves everything at home, be it my brother, my father, I have pets, I have my grandmom staying with me, all of them. She leaves like her world aside for me. She comes all the way with me, takes care of me, and she does not leave my side even for a second. Obviously mama's done that, and my father handles everything there. So they've all been extremely supportive of me, and whatever I am today is all because of them, and I love them beyond anything and everything. Prasad Garu, what do I say about him? He is, he's always there around, okay? He's always there to take care of everything. I haven't once seen him interfere, during the shoots or coming onto the sets. He'll be in some other corner altogether, but he's like there, like the captain of the ship. He's there to sort of support us and take care of everything. And he's been very warm, very encouraging, and very supportive. And he's very cool. He's pretty cool that way. I will say in like 2 words, okay? First, in English, it's a complete entertainer, okay? And in Telugu, chala bagundi. And it was wonderful interacting with you guys. I hope and pray that you love Jadugaru, and it's my first film ever, so I am very nervous, and fingers crossed. I hope you guys love me and support me and Jadugaru, and we've all put in a lot of hard work and efforts into the film. I hope you that effort comes across and you love the film. Thank you so much.